Hi guys, this is Rupali from Satej Infotech, and today I'm going to discuss WhatsApp for Business app. Now, as you know that WhatsApp for Business was launched in January 2018, and I've personally been experimenting with it in the last 1 month. So let's see what cool features they've got to offer for our businesses. So moving on. You simply, like any other app you want to download, you go to Google Play Store and download the app, agree to the terms and conditions, and you are in. Okay, the interesting thing here is that WhatsApp, it doesn't give us the flexibility to use two different apps on the same number. So if you want to keep your personal WhatsApp, then you have to have a new number for your business WhatsApp. You can't have both together. So for us, for Satej Infotech, we use this number, which is our business number, as the WhatsApp for Business. This is how we are registered. Now, while you're registering your business name, be very careful in this section, because you cannot change the business name once you've typed it here. Okay, so it has to be a final business name here. I'm not sure why there are these restrictions here, but for the time being, this is how it works. So for us, we've kept the name as Satej Infotech. It is obviously the logo name, and that's what we are called. So similarly, you can do something for yourselves as well. Now moving on. Once the initial registration is complete, this is how your WhatsApp for Business app will look. Okay, you have this business typed in here, so you can differentiate it from your personal WhatsApp. The app is quite similar to the personal WhatsApp we are used to, and it's got the same features like chat status, search, calls, and settings. Now these three dots, when you click on this, you can go into the settings section, and that's where all the fun begins really. Okay, now moving on to the settings section, it gives us things like business settings, statistics, accounts, chat, notifications, etc. So I'll be discussing business settings and statistics now. Okay, now this is quite an interesting feature provided by WhatsApp. It lets you put your logo in, your business address, your business name, your category, your description, business hours, email ID, and your website address. So once you fill these details, it shows on the right side of the page. So whenever your customer wants to access your about details, they see all of these there. So it becomes quite easy for them to get in touch with you. Okay, moving on. Now about the statistics bit, I'm not sure why they have provided this bit here, because it doesn't really do much for us other than just telling us the messages being sent, the messages being delivered, and messages read and messages received. So it's quite basic. Hopefully they'll introduce some interesting features in the coming months. Okay, now this part is where everything starts to get automated. Okay, so it's quite interesting and quite helpful for businesses, especially if you are single business owner, self-employed, and too busy to manage all the messages. So if you are away on a meeting or on a business trip or on a personal trip, you can set up an away message, quite similar to how we do it for our emails. So for me, I've put thank you for your message, we are away right now, and we'll respond when we are back. You can schedule this message, switch it on and switch it off again. So this is how it works. So it's quite an interesting feature, because it doesn't leave your customers to wonder why you're not responding to them. So this really helps in customer service. The next interesting bit is the greeting message. So for example, if somebody has a new customer has written to you, WhatsApp you for the first time, or an old customer has WhatsApped you after 14 days of last getting in touch with you, they will receive this message. So this is kind of a very, written in a very subtle tone. The intention is to welcome your customer. So it says, I've put in here, thank you for getting in touch. It's nice to hear from you. Our customer service team will reply to your message soon. Can you please leave your email? So actually, I'm I'm trying to promote the customer to leave their email ID. This helps me to increase my email list as well, so I can get in touch with them with further information, offers, and so on. Moving on now. Another quite an interesting feature, right? This is one of the best features available, which is known as quick replies. This is a really useful feature that will save a lot of time when replying to messages. You can type and save messages under a keyword and use it as required. So over here you can see that I've typed the keyword with the / and training, and whenever somebody is inquiring me about my training program, I just type /training and the whole message comes out here automatically. So I really don't have to type it n numbers of time during the day whenever I receive a message. So it's quite interesting. It saves a lot of time. You can have as many quick replies as you want, really, and so it's quite interesting and easy to use. Moving on. Now, in a gist, what is being offered to us? Let's go through it again. And the key benefits. Okay, one of the key benefits is you advertise your WhatsApp number publicly, making it easier for prospects to get in touch with you. So when you're thinking of advertising your business, put your WhatsApp number on your Facebook page, on your paper advertisements, in your website. So you're actually making it easier for your customers to get in touch with you. And it helps. You can use the automated reply features like greeting, thank you messages, quick replies, away messages. So it helps in that manner as well. It's automate quite a lot of things. So this is what, in a nutshell, WhatsApp for Business is. Hope you enjoyed this short video, and please don't forget to leave your feedback and any other information related to this topic. If you want to highlight, just leave in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video once again, and I will see you sometime later. Bye bye then.